Well, this is what 12 rounds of quizzing boils down to. One last and final round of Terra Quiz on National Geographic Channel. Well, I don't think I need to remind everybody or anybody about how crucial this round is. This is that round. Makes everybody nervous, including myself and the audience. And it's time for 360 degrees. So for one last time in this final episode, I will take you through the rules. 8 questions, rapid fire, 40 seconds to answer, 10 points for your first correct answer, 20 for the next, 30 for the next. In case you answer incorrectly or do not know the answer to a question, you drop back to the start line and your next question will be worth only 10 points. So, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Which reptile is the closest living relative of dinosaurs?
Crocodile.
Which Indian Union territory has lowest forest cover?
Pass.
Morgan's genetic research is linked with which insect?
Pass.
Name the process which reduces acidity or alkalinity in soil by flooding it with water.
Pass.
Buffering.
Which convention ensures that international trade in wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival?
Sites.
World Environment Day is celebrated on which date?
22nd April.
Name the ship linked with the theory of evolutionary change.
Beagle.
Beagle.
What is the
Beagle.
name? Sorry, I can't give you that one. The last question, but 7 questions taken there in 40 seconds. Give them a big hand. Moving on to Team B. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Which term describes the study of communication and control between men, machines and organizations?
Pass.
What is the scientific name for study of biological classification?
Taxonomy.
Who devised a system of classification based on similarity patterns between different organisms?
Carl Linnaeus.
Which continent has been protected as a scientific preserve by a 12-nation treaty?
Antarctica.
Which bird species became extinct with the death of the last of its kind in Cincinnati Zoo 1914?
Passenger pigeon.
In which country was IUCN founded in 1948?
Pass.
Who classified galaxies into spirals, elliptical and irregular types?
Edwin Hubble.
7 questions gone in 40 seconds. Our own English high school. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, your time starts now. Which term refers to variability of all life on Earth?
Pass.
Which marine mammal, a type of white whale, has spiral ivory tusks?
Novel.
Which mouse deer found in peninsular India normally rests in tree holes?
Pass.
The male of which Indian deer species has canines which it uses for self-defense?
Musk deer.
Which element named after the moon is used as a photoconductor?
Pass.
Which transition metal of the periodic table is named after a mythical Greek king?
Pass.
Which aberrant goat with sheep-like affinities is found above the Himalayan timberline?
Tibetan antelope.
We'll see if you got that correct. Let's move on to Team D. St. Michael, are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Which mineral used in small amounts helps prevent tooth decay?
Fluorine. Fluoride.
Microbial contaminants have an adverse effect on indoor air quality. True or false?
True.
Which syndrome is associated with an individual's place of work or residence?
Pass.
Which architectural form provides daylight to inner space of a large building?
Pass.
On how many points, including both the core and optional, does Grihar grade?
4.
What are species that play a critical role in maintaining the structure of an ecological community called?
Pass.
Just 6 questions. Phew, this one's a tight one. Who scored what in rapid fire? No idea. I don't think rapid fire has ever been this exciting, but this is the final episode. Well, great going, teams. Now all that is left is for us to see the results. But before I reveal today's winners, I'd like to introduce you to a very special guest. Well, he needs no introduction. He is the Director General of TERI, someone who has been fighting for the cause of the environment all his life. Please put your hands together for Dr. R.K. Pachauri. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the show.